This is how to discover videos that are bringing in subscribers to your YouTube channel. First is to launch your web browser. Okay, so here let me use Google Chrome for this. As your browser opens, visit studio.youtube.com and log in into your YouTube channel. Once it loads successfully, click on Analytics. On this analytics page, the next step you need to take is to click on this tab, which is subscribers. Okay, you can see I have plus 3 subscribers in the last 28 days. Then what you need to do is that after clicking on that subscribers, you click on view more, see more. On clicking on see more, you can see the videos that are bringing in subscribers for the last 28 days in this channel. You can see this one, how to send file from WhatsApp to Gmail email address, followed by how to add external links on YouTube channel, and followed by how to link a new AdSense account to a YouTube channel. How to link a new AdSense account to a YouTube channel. All right. So these are the videos that are bringing in subscribers, okay, to this my channel in the last 28 days. But if you want to see the particular time this happens, you can see this one. This is date September 4th. All right, I have September 17 and I have September 18. Okay, so on these videos now, if you want to see, okay, how many subscribers this video has contributed, just hover your cursor over the video, then right click and then select open a new tab. All right, so that we don't close here because there's something I want us to work on here as well. So I'll click on this for it to open fully. Okay, the analytics section of this video has opened. So you can see this have brought in 5 subscribers so far since I published this video. All right, I'll click on this and you can see the date. If I take my cursor over here, you can see the date, February 13, all right, 2025, followed by the second one was July 15, 2025. The third one was on August 4th, 2025. All right, August 4th. And this is on August, September 19, 2025. So when you hover your cursor on any section, any part where there is increase, rise, you will see the date. Okay, so let's get back to this main analytics page for subscribers. Okay, now you can see now the range here is last 28 days. So let's say we want to do this for the lifetime to see the video that has brought in more subscribers. So click here and then maybe you want to go for a particular month, but here let's go with lifetime, but you can select any option. Yeah, maybe you want to know how many subscribers have gained in a particular year, you select it. All right, or particular months, there are so many options. Okay, so but let's go with lifetime. I'll click on lifetime. Okay, this has opened and it's telling me the number of the videos that have brought in, a particular number of subscribers. You can see this video, how to send files from WhatsApp to Gmail, has brought in the highest number of subscribers to this channel. 5, followed by this, followed by this, followed by this. So you can see with this analytics, you know what you want to do and where you want to focus your strengths. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. Here we cover a lot on tech and a touch of finance. So subscribe to learn more so that you help me to grow this channel. Hit the like button and leave a comment. Thank you and see you some other time.